Hi everyone! In this video, we will find an equation of a line perpendicular to a given line. Find the equation in slope-intercept form of a line perpendicular to the given line and contains a given point. The first thing we need to do is find the slope of the given line so that we can find the perpendicular slope. To do that, we'll solve for y. So we need to subtract 2x from both sides, and we will get negative 3y equals negative 2x plus 4. And then divide every term by negative 3 to isolate the y, and we'll get y equals a negative divided by negative is positive, so positive 2/3 x, and negative divided by, or positive divided by negative is negative, so we get minus 4/3. And this is the equation of the first line, which means our slope is 2/3. To find a perpendicular slope, that means we take the opposite reciprocal. So we need to take the opposite sign. Because this one's positive, our opposite will be negative, and the reciprocal will be the opposite or the inversion of the fraction. So instead of 2/3, the inversion or the reciprocal is 3/2. So this is the slope of our perpendicular line. Now we have slope and we have a point, so we can use our point slope formula, which is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. And we can plug everything in and solve for y. Y minus y sub 1 is 4 equals m, which we just found is negative 3/2, times x minus our x sub 1, which is 2, and solve for y. Y minus 4 equals, doing the distributive on the right-hand side of the equation, gives us negative 3/2 x, and a negative times a negative is positive, and we have 3/2 times 2, so the 2's will cancel, and we have y minus 4 equals negative 3/2 x plus 3. Now to continue solving for y, we'll add 4 to both sides. So we're left with y equals negative 3/2 x plus 7, and that is the equation of our perpendicular line going through the point 2, 4, and we're all done.